I will never look at cars the same way after learning this. Toyota's water engine is here to change the game. Toyota's hydrogen fuel cell technology, also known as the water engine, is transforming how we think about driving. And picture a sleek Toyota car like the Mirai cruising silently through vibrant cities and serene landscapes. This isn't science fiction, it's now. At its heart, Toyota's hydrogen fuel cells combine hydrogen and oxygen to produce electricity, with only water vapor as the byproduct. Zero tailpipe emissions, just pure, clean energy. Refueling? It's as quick and easy as filling up your regular gas tank. Toyota's hydrogen stations are designed for convenience, making sustainability effortless. Behind this innovation are Toyota's dedicated engineers, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in their state-of-the-art labs. From cars to wider applications, Toyota is leading the charge towards a hydrogen-powered society. As Toyota's CEO says, this is not just a car, it's a promise for a cleaner, greener future. Toyota, driving the future with innovation.